Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Recently on a Mailbag Monday, a friend of the channel named Tyler sent us a Flexi Rex, and I wanted a bigger one.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I don't know what model Tyler sent us, but the model I printed was Flexi Rex with Stronger Links by DrLex. It came from Thingiverse, and there'll be a link to it in the description below. Even though we're not a fan of Maker Geek's filament, we really like this color, which is Urban Fossil. It was printed on the AM8 with a 235-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. Overall, the print turned out really well. The AM8 did a fantastic job printing this. The layer lines are amazing. At this scale, the model articulates very well. I feel this color is a really cool color for dinosaur stuff. My dad thinks that I should give it to Zach, but I'm keeping it. It's really cool that this model articulates really well and that it still stands up on its own. Hats off to the person that designed this. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe or ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so what do Triceratops sit on? They're Tricerabottoms.